Hello students, myself Vikranth K from Computer Science Department, SDM College Ujire. In this session, I am going to explain you about R programming language. R programming language is a statistical programming language used to compute some complex statistical problems as well as mathematical problems. Also, it is used to analyze the data for data analysis purpose. So, we can store the data, analyze the data, interpret the data, as well as we can represent the information in the form of graphical representation. So, let me give some introduction about R programming language. These are the two persons who develops the R programming language. They are Ross Ihaka and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland. So, both name that starts with the letter R. That's why the R programming language. Now, it is developed by the R development core team. So, this is the team that develops the R programming language, and every year they will come up with the new version. So, it is freely available under the GNU General Public License, so that we can easily download it from the internet. So, it is compatible with the Linux, Windows and Mac operating systems, so that the binary version or executable version of R programming language is available in all the platforms like Linux platform, Windows platform and Macintosh platform. So, why R? So, there are many data analysis tools like Python or SPSS, but R is a unique programming language. So, why? Because it is open source. So, it is an open source programming language. So, easily we can download from the internet, and source code is available, and based on the requirement, so we can alter the source code, and it is flexible programming language. So, anybody can develop any type of applications, and also it offers multiple packages. So, based on the requirements, so we have to use any packages, we have to install package and we can use it to compute any problem. So, it has large and active community support. So, most of the people in the world, so they will use R programming language because of its unique feature, so that it is having large and active community support. And also it is popular for data analytics and visualization. So, for data analysis purpose, and so in order to visualize the report or information in the form of graphical representation, so this R programming language is having the rich set of packages. So, why we need data analytics? So, now data is everywhere. So maybe it is a government data or private or public data. So, data is stored in some resources, and also so we need to perform the data analytics in order to get the meaningful insight from the data for better decision making purpose. For that, we need to perform data analytics. It is actually stored in different resources, in memory devices or any external memory device, or so in cloud storage. So, it is stored in different places, and we have to apply certain data analytics tools, so in order to get some insights from the data. So, it is mainly used for the decision making purpose. Maybe it is used by some managers or management people in the organization to take better decision. For that, we need data analytics. So, that is what I told. So, why we need data analytics? So, mainly to transform data into actionable insights. So in order to get the useful information from the large set of data, and also identify trends and patterns. So what is the current trend and what is the current pattern? So in case of business, and also to make informed decision. So it is used by managers or management people. So in order to take a better decision, so we need to perform data analytics, and also to optimize the process and strategies. So after getting the insight from the data, large set of data, so that we can optimize the process. So in order to get more profit in case of business. Okay, so let us see how to run R programming. So actually, so we can create R programs. So there are two modes. So one is interactive mode and another one is batch mode. So in case of interactive mode, so here the user supposed to write line by line commands and execute one command at a time. So it will give the result for each command. But in batch mode, so you have to write set of commands. So that set of commands will be stored in the form of scripts, and so that will be executed at once. So in case of Linux or Macintosh operating system, so we need to type the letter R in terminal window. So in case of Windows operating system, you have to click or double click on the R icon that is available in the desktop or start menu. The window for executing R command is called as R console. Okay. So this is actually my first R program. So actually this program contains 3 lines. The first line, the hash symbol, my first program in R programming. So this line is actually called as comments. So any line that begins with the hash symbol, that is called as comment. And also my string is equal to hello world. So that is actually assigned to my string variable, and then we are going to print the value of my string hello world. So in this I will conclude this session. So we discussed about the introduction about R and some features of R and how to write the program in R. Thank you.